Hey world, this is FastCube007, and today in this video I will be doing a review on the DIY kits that I got yesterday. They're so damn cool, so light. They react to like any lubricating material pretty nicely. You can hear it's brand new. And it smells really awesome. Look at this. This has been lubricated with like a few drops of silicone. Almost every size is like that. Awesome tube. And I love this cube. They are meant for like people who are like very advanced in Rubik's Cube, because they do get misaligned when you're doing it very fast. But who cares, just buy them. They're freaking awesome. So that's my little short video on my DIY kit that I got. And they highly recommend it. So please go to Cube4U and buy one of these. This is my short review video. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.